What's up, everybody? TG here, back on another video talking today about Apple because Apple has their worldwide developer conference event going on right now where they're unveiling a lot of very interesting things. But the stock, unfortunately, has been taken very negatively towards that, and the stock is down about almost 90 cents as of right now. Was down over $1 at the worst part of the day. We'll see if we get a little bit of recovery. A lot of support being formed right around 125, so we'll see if we'll be able to hold that. But before we start this video, if you guys could like and subscribe, it would mean a ton to me. But let's go ahead and jump into Apple, jump into this event, and jump into whether buying Apple right now is a good move long term, because I personally think it is a very, very good idea. First off, you know me, I like to be transparent, so I want to show you guys my positions in Apple. So we go over here and look at my positions in Apple. Here's what I currently have. I sold some puts on Apple, 135s, 140s. I also sold two 170s that I sold, hedging myself with some 170 calls as well, just to minimize risk. And then we have a ton of put credit spreads as well, along with another put that we sold right here. So we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 puts that we sold on Apple, so that's about 75, actually around $85,000 between the strike prices of that. And then we have a bunch of put credit spreads as well. Some of them even for next week. I saw it go down some. I thought I'd take advantage of that. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. We should have sold all three of these when we were up. We only sold three of them on Friday, but that's essentially my positions in Apple. Got about 100,000 into Apple, but I wanted to talk about this event because there's some big things going on. As you guys know, they're kicking off their event today, and they're changing features on iOS 15. A lot of things that are going to really help us out post-pandemic, such as video calls on FaceTime, updating, and the digital keys in the wallet. So first off, the FaceTime. When you are on FaceTime with anyone, if you guys know how it works, essentially when you're in a call with someone, you can't go watch a video, otherwise your screen will exit out of it. You won't be able to see them anymore, and you will be put on pause on their screen. This new feature it's like a new grid type feature that basically allows you to be able to multitask, watch a video, and stay on FaceTime with multiple people, including Android and Windows users, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool right there. So that's obviously something new. But the most important thing is the changes to the wallet. They're updating their mobile wallet that allows users to unlock everything from their home to their hotel room with digital keys in the app. As you guys know, we're trying to make it, or not we, society is trying to make it essentially more convenient for the people, and everything's stored in one central place. So Apple's trying to take advantage of this by making the iPhone the hub of everything. So you can have they've been using Apple Pay a lot, has been big. You can store your wallets in there. They're trying to change this now and add new things such as like hotel card keys, and most importantly, IDs, like driver's license. And they're actually working with TSA right now to make that a little bit better for like security at airports. So there's going to be some more stuff being kicked off. Tim Cook's been talking about a lot of this stuff. And obviously there's this continuous legal battle with Apple as of right now. But if you actually look at Apple's fundamentals, where it's currently trading at, about a 28 exactly PE ratio. Pretty low, considering the fact the earnings that they've had recently. This is last quarter's, and it was just absolutely incredible. 89.5 billion in revenue, 23.63 billion in net income. Profit margins going through the roof. Cash on hand up big as well. This is fundamentally an amazing company. We're seeing huge growth, year over year. Company's also doing big buybacks, increased their dividend a little bit. Dividend's now 0.7%, so you can get paid to hold it as well, which is pretty awesome. But this company, for the 1 day, 5 day, 1 month, and year to date is all red. And the stock is down about 13% from highs, about 13.2% from the highs to what it is now, which is, kind of a lot. So we'll have to see a bit of a comeback with Apple, but it's been trading stagnant for a while. It's been holding well at least, but I do think this is a great time to get into Apple. You can never go wrong holding good quality like Apple, and I think it's going to bode very, very well in the long term. The biggest bear case against Apple is the innovation, the innovative side of Apple. Are they innovating? Are they doing stuff? People don't also realize that Apple is more than just phones. It's a lot more. There's wearables, there's MacBooks, there's iPads. They're making a new MacBook right now. They're doing a lot. and also their services. People forget how important their services are and how much the services actually bring in. I want to show you guys something right now from the last earnings quarter that they had on how much they actually brought in from their app store and their services. And if you break it down and look at this, you can see that they did 16.9 billion on just their services sector alone last quarter, which is insane. All these have huge year-over-year growth, and I see it just keep going up. I really do. I think demand for 5G is going higher and higher. There's more apps being added onto the App Store, more innovative things, and the App Store is the best place to have it. So what I think is going to happen is Apple will start to run. It might not run as much as we've used to seeing it over the past couple of years, because it still is a $2 trillion company. So, while I do see it hitting $3 trillion soon, to double would be very, very hard. But this is an amazing company, and you have to be patient with it. If you've noticed over time, you always have to be patient. There's little periods where, from 2018 all the way to 2019, it didn't really do anything at all. A whole year where not much growth. So you got to be patient during these times. And buy the dip, honestly. I think it's a great company. I know it's a great company. It has the earnings to prove it. It has the innovation. It has demand. It has loyalty to customers. People who use Apple products are more likely to use Apple products again. The average household owns 3 Apple products now. It's incredible the impact that Apple has had on society, and I think we're going to continue to see that for a while now. So hold this company long term. You will be rewarded for it. You can get paid a small dividend while you wait. You can hedge yourself with options. You can do what I'm doing, do credit spreads and try to take advantage of theta while it's staying stagnant, but really just using it to your advantage and playing the long term, playing it safe. And I think you're going to be very, very happy down the road, because Apple's an amazing company, and while there's a lot of hate on it, I think it deserves to be here, and I think it's going to continue to go much higher. So let me know your thoughts on Apple. Let me know your thoughts on this event, what they're doing. But I think it's a great company. I think it's a great stock, and I think it's worth owning. And chasing the hype might not be the best decision, whereas playing it smart with Apple and using options, hedging yourself, and making good bets based on good results quarter after quarter seems like the smartest play to do. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm putting my money where my mouth is. Obviously, I have a lot in Apple, but looking at the indicators, looking at the charts, Apple looks like a pretty good spot right now to go in there and make some plays on it. So again, I'll be watching it very closely, but you notice year to date, it's just really been struggling recently. But I think we're going to start showing some good support. We're going to see this thing start to climb back up to around 130s very, very soon. So anyways, guys, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Let me know your thoughts on all of this. But I'm going to make another video in about a couple hours as well for you guys. I want to make 2 today. So if you guys enjoy that, please like and subscribe. It means an absolute ton to me. Very thankful for each and every one of you, and thankful for the growth in this channel. I'm feeling a little bit under the weather, as you can tell by my voice, but it's one of those things that happens. So, guys, take it easy. Have a wonderful day. Join our Discord. It's in the link in the description below if you want to come chat with me about Apple, about Amazon, about any of these stocks that are going on right now, and the plays that I'm doing, the strategies that I'm doing for it. So, anyways, guys, have a wonderful, wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy. Bye-bye.